Most guys try too hard. They say too much, try to impress, and end up pushing women away. But what if I told you there are just 3 phrases that can flip the script? Simple, magnetic words that spark instant attraction, backed by psychology, and sharpened by stoic confidence. Yeah, you're gonna want to hear this. These phrases aren't pickup lines. They're not manipulative tricks. They're mental triggers, rooted in how women respond to confidence, mystery, and power. And once you use them, you'll stand out, not as the loudest guy in the room, but as the one she can't stop thinking about. SEGMENT1. Phrase number 1. I don't chase. I attract. This one, it hits deep. It's not even about her, it's about you. You're subtly telling her, I'm grounded, I'm focused, I'm not here to prove anything. Psychologically, this builds what's called preselection bias. People are more attracted to those who seem already desired. Add a calm voice, steady eye contact, and this line becomes magnetic. Stoicism in action. You're not emotionally reactive. You're selective. SEGMENT2. Phrase number 2. Tell me something real. Forget small talk. This line breaks through the noise. Fast. It challenges her to drop the mask, which builds instant emotional depth. Why does this work? Because according to psychology, vulnerability breeds connection. But here's the key. You stay calm, grounded. You don't spill your guts. You invite hers. And just like that, you're different. You're real. You're memorable. SEGMENT3. Phrase number 3. I'm good either way. Powerful. Understated. This one tells her, you're outcome independent. Whether she's into you or not, you're still good. Still solid. This taps into Stoic philosophy. Your value doesn't depend on external validation. Psychologically, it creates scarcity, and scarcity breeds desire. You're not desperate. You're desirable. Why? Because you're in control. So let's run it back. I don't chase. I attract. Tell me something real. I'm good either way. These aren't just phrases, they're mindsets. Speak them like you mean them. Live them like a code. And attraction. It won't be a mystery anymore. If this hit different, drop A in the comments and subscribe for more high-value psychology and Stoic game. Because the best version of you doesn't chase. He draws in. Extended SEGMENT. What makes these phrases magnetic? Let's break this down. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. These phrases carry emotional weight when you speak from a place of calm control. You're not flexing. You're not chasing approval. You're embodying what Stoics call ataraxia, a state of inner peace, no matter the chaos around you. That calm. Women feel it. Subconsciously. Deeply. In a world full of noise, you become the signal. BONUSPHRASE. Bonus phrase. I respect your space. Most guys push too hard. But this phrase, it's a paradox. You're pulling her in by showing you're not afraid to step back. It signals emotional maturity, boundaries, power. Psychology tells us, when you give someone space, they lean in. When you crowd them, they pull away. Say it once. Say it slow. Let it land. MINHEGALENG to viewers. Here's a challenge. Use one of these phrases in a real conversation this week. Not to get something, but to embody who you are. Let the phrase come from truth, not tactics. Then come back and tell me how she reacted. This isn't about game. It's about growth. The Stoic man doesn't seek attraction, he becomes it. Optionale, SEGMENT. Quote Europe. He who is not a slave to desire is irresistible. Marcus Aurelius. Probably. You don't need to chase. You don't need to prove. You just need to stand still long enough to be seen. FINALCTA. If you're ready to build unshakable confidence, sharpen your mindset, and attract effortlessly. Hit subscribe. Join the tribe. I drop psychology-backed, Stoic-infused attraction tips every week. And remember, speak less, mean more. Magnetism isn't loud. It's stillness with weight. Stay grounded. Stay focused. Stay magnetic. Advance ETCGMent. Why women respond to power in stillness. Here's what most guys miss. Women don't fall for noise. They fall for certainty. When you're still, when you're silent, and when you speak with intention, she leans in. Because now you're not just a man talking, you're a man who knows himself. Stoicism teaches, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Seneca. So when you drop these magnetic phrases, you're not performing, you're anchoring. You're rooted in your own frame. And guess what? That frame pulls everything toward it. May Jean and ETIC number 4. Phrase. I noticed that too. This one. It creates instant alignment. You're not trying to win, you're matching her wavelength. It subtly says, I'm present. I see you. I get it. Psychologically, it triggers mirroring, one of the most powerful subconscious bonding tools. You're not saying much, but she feels like you're reading her mind. Keep it low-key. Delivered with calm eye contact. She'll feel understood without even knowing why. May Jean and ETIC number 5. Phrase. That's interesting. I see it differently. Boom. Instant depth. You're not afraid to disagree, and that's alpha energy. Not argumentative, just differentiated. Why this works. Women aren't attracted to yes men. They're drawn to men who have their own point of view and can express it without ego. Pair this with stoic calm, and you signal, I'm grounded. I don't need agreement. I invite truth. High value test. Here's how to test your magnetism. Can you say these phrases without trying to get a reaction, without needing approval, without breaking eye contact? That's the real test. Magnetic energy isn't in your words, it's in your nervous system. If you can stay calm while others chase, you win. ODENC CHALNG plus COMMENT is a CCA. Drop A in the comments with the phrase you're gonna try this week. Even better, share what happened. Your wins, your awkward moments, all of it. This channel, it's not just for views, it's for elevation. Real men, real growth, real impact. Theosophy tag. He who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow. Nietzsche. Let that why be inner strength. Let your words reflect the man you already are, not the outcome you're chasing. Magnetism isn't about control. It's about command of self. And that starts with what you say and what you don't. If you're ready to build unshakable confidence, sharpen your mindset, and attract effortlessly, hit subscribe. Join the tribe. I drop psychology-backed, Stoic-infused attraction tips every week. And remember, speak less, mean more. Magnetism isn't loud. It's stillness with weight. Stay grounded. Stay focused. Stay magnetic. Watch next. Mastering Presence, the #1 trait women find irresistible. Subscribe for weekly psychology, power, and presence.